We'll guide you through how to use a keyboard and mouse on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Using a keyboard and mouse can be much more convenient and makes it easy to use, and you may prefer the more computer feel. So to go and do this, we first of all need to go and connect these. These are wireless. So what we can do is go and open up our settings, go to the left and press Bluetooth. Make sure it's turned on. Now what you want to do is come onto the keyboard and mouse. We'll start on the mouse and put it into pairing mode. So this mouse here can be connected to different devices. So I'm going to select two. Then I'm going to put it in pairing mode. So I'll tap and hold it, and it then should start flashing. And we can go and see that it's now appearing in our devices here. So I'll go and tap on it like so, and you can see that's now connected. Now if I go and start moving it, you can go and see I've got the cursor going and appear on the screen here. Now for the keyboard, it is similar on this. I've got three different devices here. So I'll go and choose number two. I'll tap and hold it. You can now see it's flashing and it goes and appears on the iPad. And I can go and connect to it. I then need to go and type in this code on the keyboard, which I'll do now. And you can then press enter. You can go and see they're now both connected. And like that, you can now go and start using your iPad more like a computer. So what we could do is go and open up our notes like this. And then I could go and start typing.